Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi A2, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. So to get started, you'll need to grab a SIM eject tool, similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box. So it might look, for instance, something like this, or maybe a little bit different, but you get the point. But that being said, if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, you want to pop out the tray, which is located on the top left side of the device. So using your little tool, find the insert point, push the pin in, and you can see that the tray pops out, enough for you to grab it and pull it out. Now on the tray, you'll have space for 2 different SIM cards and 1 SD card. Now if you're planning to use just 1 SIM card, you can occupy whichever tray you want. And if you're using 2, obviously occupy both of them. And SD card only has 1 place, so I'm gonna pop it on here. Then carefully insert it back into your device. Now the reason I'm saying carefully is because there's nothing really holding those cards in place, so they could just kind of do this. So if the tray isn't going into your device easily, don't force it in. Chances are one of the cards might have just kind of come out of place and it's basically being jammed. So just take it out if it's not going in there. Make sure that the cards are in place, and then you can push it in. Now once you insert those cards, they should start working right away. So in terms of, there we go, SD card, it tells me that there is an issue with it, and there isn't. But it is detecting that there is an SD card, and in terms of SIM card, it will not detect it. I mean, I guess it will, but it won't work because the SIM card is actually just deactivated. So I could probably navigate into things like, not here, network and internet, I guess. And it is detecting it as Virgin Mobile, which is the card. So as you can see, it is finding it. So there we go. Now that is how you'd insert your SIM and SD card into this device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.